other electronic item except camera and mobile like iPod or tripod just kept in the car. They don't allow to take you in. And the ticket of Taj Mahal is of 750 rupees per person. But below 15, there's like you below 15, 14. So it's free for him. And otherwise you take 750 rupees per person.
750 rupees.
And up to the parking we go with this car, and afterward this we have to go with a battery car from there.
Oh, battery car.
Because government has banned all these petrol and diesel vehicle after this barrier, because due to pollution and affecting on Taj Mahal. So we go with battery car from there up to the building. Okay? Okay. All of you come closer so you can listen to me.
Sorry.
Okay, all of you. Now we are in Taj Mahal, and that's the main building over there. And this area where we're standing right now is called a forecourt area, and I welcome you all to this monument of love, because this was made by a husband in memory of a wife. And the name of the husband is King Shah Jahan, who is the 5th Mughal king, and he made this building for her wife Mumtaz Mahal. And the total time taken completion of this building is from 1631 to 1653. It takes long 22 years in completion. And at the time the workers were working there, because there is a main architect, they give suggestion to them, they advise them, then they went back to their homes. They don't live much over there. So what they do to remind the construction area, what they do, they're looking at the small white dome on top of this gate.
Yeah.
They start making one dome for 1 year. So they have 11 domes on that side, 11 domes on the other side. Total become 22, which indicate that it is completed in 22 years. Got it? Now, about this part. From which, okay. Now come to the architecture part of this building. The two materials which they use in this building, first is the main one is the white marble, which is from Rajasthan, a place called Makrana over there, which is around near about 400 kilometers from there. And the quality of that marble is that it is the hardest marble in the world. And the main quality, you heard about that it looked beautiful or more beautiful than full moon night. You heard that?
Yeah.
And why? The reason is that white is because of the translucent nature of the stone. This marble is translucent. And when the lights fall on this, which color light fall on this, it appears the same color. Yet most of the people came here, those who arrived at night time and visit the sunrise. Generally in hazy days in winters, it does not appear the color because it's all hazy. But you can see the real effect of sunrise and sunset in summer, because the weather is clear. Because you have seen the sun when it was rise, it was a little bit reddish at the time. So when the right light falls on this, it looked a little bit pinkish and all this. Same position at the sunset. And sunrise, light fall on this direction in the building, and sunset, sun fall on this direction. In moonlight, it looked totally white. It looked like that there's someone pouring milk from the top and it's coming down. Okay, listen to me. This is the most photographic building in the world, and there were some professional photographers around there. If you like to go with them, you can go with them. They'll take your pictures. When you come back, they'll provide you ready pictures.
Come out. I give you pictures then.
How much are they?
100 each.
100 rupees each.
When you come back, they'll provide you ready picture like that.
Okay.
Inside 200 English.
Because this is the most photographic building in the world.
12.
Group photo and couple picture and kiss Taj Mahal, Diana chair, reflection.
Anyone packages small. They don't want.
எங்க போய் நீ பிரவீன்
Lovely one. This is the lovely one. Come and hit it back. Oh, there's no light.
So first you can sit here.
No, visa. Mohammed visa.
Visa. So before showing very first of all, this is culture of country and custom also India. You are my guest. So what you like to drink something? Some nice cup of tea, cola,
No,
tea,
thank you.
water. 6.5. 1015. 153.
Which one?
This one.
That one. And that one there?
And this one is like cheaper, and this is like see. First you can see light बंद करना चाहिए, and see this. And you can see you can put top